Hello guys, so today we're going to unbox a little toy that I bought somewhere. I just want to show this to you guys. This is a rock crawler from PDC Toys. Okay, so this cost around $20 or around 1,200 pesos, and it is actually on sale. It's around 10 Omani Reals. I will tell you where I bought this later. But the reason why I bought this one because not just I wanted to play with it, but of course that's one of the main reasons. But the main reason is that I'm going to attach the GoPro here or anywhere, and then I'm going to use it anywhere, and so I can shoot even more action scenes with the GoPro Hero 7 Black using this RC car. So it's actually for 6 years old plus or above. So I can play it as well. And the good thing with this one is the transmission is 2.4 gigahertz. That means the connection between the two is dedicated. Alright? So the size of this RC is 112. That means it is 12 times smaller than the actual size of the model car. And the speed is not mentioned here, but I think it's around 10 to 20 kilometers. And alright, so this is a rock crawler. Unfortunately, I actually tried ordering a different model in AliExpress, but sadly did not arrive. But the seller is nice. I was able to refund the cash I paid for. Let's unbox this one. And the purpose of this is to open up the box. Let's pull the car out. And here it is. First, the remote control for your toy. The battery is actually installed in the car, and this is the charger, USB. You just need to connect this to the battery. Then the duration of the battery of the car is not stated in the box, but we will just test it. You will know later. Okay, so here it is, the Tokin rock crawler from PDC Toys. By the way, I bought this. You can actually bought this in AliExpress or in any online shopping site like Lazada, Shopee, or even Amazon. No, I'll just post the link below. Just check it. And if you are in Oman, you can actually buy this in YouTube. But today is the last day of their promo sale. The regular price is around 13.5 reals, and since it is promo, it costs around 10.5 reals. So let's check it out. Come on. Okay, so this guy here is made of a aluminum alloy. The body framing is, I think it's a hard plastic, and the lights here actually works. When you move forward and move backward, it turns on. And the shock is really good. And so you can actually drop it like this. It can survive that drop, maybe about 2 feet. Again, it survived that drop. So it can jump, it can climb a rock, and we will see later. I'll play with it here in the park. And the wheels are made of rubber. Here's the motor. Here's the motor, and it has a guard, a crash guard here. It won't be easily damaged. And the battery is located here. Here's your turn on and off, right? And I think it can run through 2 to 3 inches water deep. And all right, as you can see, you can press it down. Yeah, it will just bounce up on the grass and some obstacle, or we have a sand out there, so let's try it there. Okay, play. So the kids are enjoying this toy. All right. This one. Oh, careful. Good. Right, it's out of battery.